Sim Simmer, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The girls them sugar. How can I make love to?
Get ready to be captivated by the lavish lifestyle of Beenieman. His net worth is estimated to be about US $4.5 million. So I figure when you have that amount of money at your fingertip, you can afford to live lavish. So let us take a glimpse into the expensive lifestyle of Beenieman, which includes mansions, expensive cars, jewelry, and expensive clothes. And before we dive into the video, if you have not yet subscribed, please just hop on down, touch the subscribe button, and remember to like and share the video. Beenieman, who was born on August 22, 1973, was named Anthony Moses Davis, and he is a renowned Jamaican dancehall artist. With his career spanning over 30 years, he has solidified his position as one of the most influential and successful figure in dancehall. Born and raised in Kingston, Beenieman's musical journey began at the tender age of 8 when he won the Tasty's talent contest. So, how did Beenieman acquire this wealth? Well, the undisputed king of dancehall made his millions from endorsements, album sales, concerts, stage shows, and other business ventures. Throughout his career, Beenieman has released numerous hit songs, earning him international recognition and accolades. His unique vocal style and charismatic stage presence have captivated audiences worldwide. Known for his lyrical prowess and catchy melodies, he has consistently delivered chart-topping tracks such as Girl Dem Sugar, Dude, and among many others. Beenieman is a Grammy-winning Jamaican dancehall DJ who has released 18 studio albums. And so, his net worth has allowed him to live a lavish lifestyle. And that is what we are going to take a look at now. And so, as I said before, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. And remember to like and share the video. First, let us take a look at his luxurious fleet of cars. From the look of this, it is safe to say the king of dancehall has a large appetite for luxury vehicles. His fleet consists of a Mercedes-Benz CLS 500, which it is said cost him about US $210,000. He also has a Mercedes-Benz GLS 450. He has a Cadillac Escalade, which it is said cost about $80,000 US. And he also has a Bentley Continental. And then on top of it, it seems as if he loves to go on adventures. So he has a Decardi Superbike, and he has a Brawler GTC Superbike. So you see, Beenieman is into vehicles. He loves to go fast. And apart from his luxurious fleet of cars, Beenieman also owns a lavish mansion in the hills of St. Andrew. This beautiful house has 8 bedrooms, 6 full and 2 half bathrooms, 5 fireplaces, a garage with a space to hold 6 cars, 2 laundry rooms, and a fully finished walkout basement. The house also has a floating curved staircase that leads into a foyer, a library, a double height family room, a game room, and a built-in theater. Wow. And on top of that also, Beanie is a lover of jewelry and fine designer clothes. And so he has spoiled himself with a few signature pieces of jewelry. One of his main piece of jewelry is his stunning Lion King gold chain. This gold chain consists of a large pendant carved out in a lion's head and is fully covered in gold and multiple diamond stone. And it is said that this chain cost him a whopping US $50,000. His jewelry collections also include other gold chains, bracelets, rings, and watches. And these are said to value hundreds of thousands of dollars. Beenieman is also involved in several business ventures, like his recent escapade, which is he has launched now, or he has branched now into the real estate business. And he not only spoils himself, he also gives back to those in need through his Beenieman Foundation. These days, the king is just as active in dancehall as he was 30 years ago. And so we wish him all the best in his future endeavors, and we hope that he will continue to grow his wealth and his empire. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video.